Hello everyone, welcome to another video. It's a random pack opening. 5 baseball, 5 football, and 5 hockey. Let's see what I pull the best of. As far as quality of packs, I'm going to just say that baseball is going to win based off that, but we'll see what comes out of these. So we'll start with a pack of 2023 Bowman. Alright, as not a baseball guy, I don't really know, but we'll see. Christian Yelich, Shea Langeliers, rookie, Matthew Liberatore, Cade Cavalli, Brett Baty, Rookie of the Year favorites. Any baseball guy want to tell me if that's true or not? First Bowman of Daniel Guillarty and Andres Mesa. And Yanquiel Fernandez. And then we have this Bowman Chrome first Bowman of Brock Jones and Diane Frias. So I have no idea if any of these first Bowmans are good, but I just pulled that one insert card out for now. Now we have a pack of 1990 Pro Set Football. Let's see what's in this one. This is a pretty old pack. I may already have most of the cards in this set, but here we go. Myron Guyton, Randall McDaniel Pro Bowl card, Dan Hampton, Ray Berry, Chris Spielman Pro Bowl, Mark Wilson, Warren Moon, used to love him, Doug Waddell rookie card, Alan Pinkett, Dennis McKinnon, Ronald Lewis rookie, Aaron Wallace rookie, Mark Spindler rookie, Raiders stay in LA, and a Joe Montana Super Bowl card. So I don't think there are any cards in that one worth putting off to the side. I like the Montana card at the end, but nothing really crazy in there. So go with a 91 Topps Stadium Club hockey pack. Man, pack does you want to open? There we go. Let's see if they're stuck together at all. Maybe just a little bit. We'll figure this out at some point here, how to get into this. I guess we'll just start there. Mike Hudson. Oh yeah, these cards are definitely stuck together good. Jeez. There's going to be some damage in this. There's going to be some damage. James Weimer. Yikes. Doesn't even sound good. Sylvain. I don't know how to say his last name. We're just going to get through this. There's a card stuck behind it, I think. There it is. Hold on. Let's see if we can get them apart. I don't know if these two cards are coming apart. These two are almost melted together, so I don't know if they're coming apart, but that's who's in the other one. Brent Feddick. If I can ever get these apart, I will get them apart, but it's not looking good, so I'm going to leave it as is for now. Let's see who else we got. Terry Karkner. Karkner. I don't know. There's another one. It stuck together pretty good, I think. Kelly Rudy stuck in there. I don't know if I can get them apart. You don't even know where to find the best hockey coverage on the back of this card. So it's for a magazine. Brendan Shanahan. I know who he is. Gosh, they are stuck together. Brad Delgarno. Don't know who he is. Mike Tomlick. And Jay Miller with a checklist stuck on the back of his card. So, nothing in there. I'll do a pack of 2023 Big League Baseball. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'll even be able to get those cards apart or if I'm going to try with the way those are stuck together. Ketel Marte, Nick Lodolo, Oscar Gonzalez rookie. Let's see what this is. Hello, my name is Bryant. I'll probably put that in the hit pile. Chris Bryant. Shea Langeliers. Maybe I'll put this one in the hit pile too. It's a shiny rookie card. Cedric Mullins. Brandon Nemo. Brandon Woodruff. Alright. I'm going with, what is this? 91 score. Got some old packs in this one. Well, these are definitely not stuck together. Scott Steven, Ron Stark, Clay Matthews, James Brooks, Scott Foolidge. This is Ray Childress, Dream Team. Michael Carter, Troy Aikman, Billy Joe Tolliver, Roger Craig, Eugene Marv, Sean Jones, Wayne Haddix, Roy Green, Mark Rippon, who beat the Bills in the Super Bowl, and Keith Taylor. So, I don't think I've had any real hits except for the baseball packs. So this is a 98-99 Swedish Hockey League pack. It says look for jersey cards. This feels pretty thin, so I'm guessing there's no jersey cards in here. Let's see what we've got. Jan Larson, Per-Erik Eklund, Jan Huko, Anton Lundstrom, Henrik Sundin, I know that one. And we got a Sign of the Times, Ehlert Mata. So, I mean, I guess I'll put that as the first hockey hit we've seen in this one. Alright, we'll jump over here to 2021 Diamond Kings. I mean, baseball is just running away with it so far, to be honest. Trevor Story. Esteban Florial. Walter Johnson, Marcel Ozuna, and then we have a Downtown Francisco Lindor. I don't know how rare that card is. I'll have to look it up after, but that's a pretty cool card. Everyone says looking for downtowns in football. There's a downtown in baseball. The Art of Hitting, Albert Pujols. And a debut, card of Casey Mize. And then we have a rookie card of Tariq Skubal. So hockey's still easily winning. Now we got some 91 NFL football. Alright, well, we're starting with a star rookie of Harvey Williams and a Rod Woodson. And we got another star rookie of Harvey Williams again. Same guy. Party time. This has got to be Deion, right? Deion Sanders. Terrence Mathis. There's a team MVP, Randall Cunningham. Guy McIntyre. Boomer Esiason. Sean Collins. Eddie Brown. Carl Lee. And Tom Rathman. Alright, so we're going to a pack of MVP 23-24. See what's in this one. Jonathan Tays, Logan Couture, Tyson Forrester rookie, Yaroslav Askarov, Joel Farabee, Tom Wilson. So nothing in that pack. Alright, so now we got 2024 Series 1. I couldn't even tell you what I'm looking for in these Series 1 packs I've got here. So, again, baseball people, if you see anything, let me know. Jared Triolo, rookie. Geraldo Perdomo. I do like the look of these cards. I think the design of these is pretty awesome. Braxton Garrett. Sedane Rafaela, rookie. Jonathan India. Bryson Stott. Nestor Cortez Jr. Then we have National League leaders of Spencer Strider, Zach Gallen, and Justin Steele. And a National League Padres card. Grand Gamers of Clayton Kershaw. So maybe that's an insert. That'll go in the hit pile. Nico Horner and Garrett Cole. Alright. We have one rookie per pack of Score. What year is this? 2011 Score. This was a free pack I received from David Adams when I made a purchase there. So, Drew Brees, Dallas Clark, Danny Woodhead, Abram Elam, Deshaun Jackson, complete players. DJ Williams is the rookie, and Chris Long. Alright, now we have a pack of Tim Hortons Legends 2023. Hockey and football running out of packs to have a big hit to beat baseball, that's for sure. So let's see what we got here. Becky Keller from Team Canada. A Borgie Salming, which is Trendsetters Pioneers. So it's not numbered, but there's a hockey hit. Ooh, Coffee or tea prize card. That should go in the hit pile, right? We'll put that in the hit pile. And Bobby Hall. Alright. Last baseball pack, 2024 Series 1 again. I don't know. Hockey might have won with that free coffee or tea card. So we got here. Keibert Ruiz. Alika Williams rookie. Sean Murphy. Devin Williams. Alec Marsh. Joey Votto. Tariq Skubal. Rowdy Tellez. Here's a rookie of Luis Matos. And I know this is some kind of parallel insert, something. Adalos Garcia. So I guess I'll put that in the hit pile for baseball for now. Spencer Strider and Nick Fortes. So unless something crazy comes out of these last two packs here, baseball one. We got a pack of 23 certified. A very thin pack. Well, there's the franchise foundations of Aaron Donald. So that's the hit of the pack right there, I think. Zach Ertz. Grady Jarrett. Lamar Jackson. Baker Mayfield. Alright, last pack. This is a pack of 22-23 Allure. I think unless something absolutely crazy amazing comes out of this, baseball is the easy winner. Alright, here we go. Quinn Hughes. Josh Norris. And we have a orange Chase Pearson rookie. Which, orange slice. So that goes in the hockey hit pile, which is just that card, I think. No, never mind. There's a hockey hit pile. We have a Carson Meyer, which this is the color flow. And then we have a Runways of Jacob Perreault. And then the last of the base, Alex Vlasic, Mark Stone, Tristan Jarry. So I'm just going to go out and say easy win for baseball, in my opinion. There's the one football hit. Here are the cards I put in the hockey hit pile. The free coffee or tea. And then these are the baseball hits, which again, I think baseball won. I don't know a ton about baseball, so there might have been a rookie card in there or something that I skimmed through and didn't realize what it was. But, yeah, that's going to do it. Thank you for everyone who's time to watch my video. Baseball won, and I'll see you on the next one.